Hello friends. Let's meet the vowels. A, E, O, who. Hi, everyone. I'm A. My sound is A. A. Like an apple. Can you say apple? Great. Now, here comes E. Hello. I am E. My sound is eh. Like an egg. Kids, can you say egg? Fantastic. Now, here comes I. Hello. I am I. My sound is E. E, like an insect. Kids, can you say insect? Very good. Next is O. Hello. I am O. My sound is O. O, like an orange. Kids, can you say orange? Very good. Finally, we have you. Hello. I am you. My sound is who. Who, like an umbrella. Kids, can you say umbrella? Well done.